Getting some random footage, Pro Charge, 2 valve pulled up. RT Durango. About to walk around, see what's going on. Just random pop-up, man. Random pop-up me. Got the cell phone out today. Shout out to everybody who's recording on their phones. As long as you got a camera, man, you can do whatever. Good stang. Oh my goodness. That sounds crazy. Force look pretty cool. Okay then, 350. 350Z. Let's see what's going on. It's like 40 cars out here. Hella Subies right here. Subi row. GT500. Look, stock GT500. Good GT500. I don't know what this is. Is this a track? Got the brakes on there. I gotta check the backside. It might be a track. I don't know. What's up, man? You on the, what's going on?
How you doing?
I need some shirts.
Some shirts?
Yeah, I told Brita, give me some shirt.
Yeah.
Clean RX-7. Right hand drive. Probably super stock, man. That thing clean right there. Super stock. What is this? A Lexus? Toyota? Is this a Camry? Oh my gosh, they tripping. They tripping with the Camry. Shout out K&N. Why does this Camry look so clean? Why does the Camry look clean, y'all? I have this same Camry. 04. This is an 04 Camry, bro. Looking crazy. Oh my goodness. Yes, bro. This is an 04 Camry LE. Fresh paint. Fresh wheels. Honda wheels. Oh my goodness. That's kind of us low-key fire. Nice Charlie here, red Charlie. Couple Chryslers, police pulled through. They gotta relax, man. We just chilling. They riding through though. They ain't saying nothing to us. Good 392. Wide body Charlie. That's clean. I'm gonna go through this backside right fast, y'all. Nice Mero just pulled up, old school vet. It's a V, CTS-V and a Stang. Oh yeah, good V. Good V, Gen 1 I think. I think these called Gen 1 Vs. Y'all already know what that is. Got that Jetta, what's this, a 1.8 y'all? He's showing out. He's showing out right there, man. Let me see if I can find something else. This boy Trevor got everybody at the Hellcat, bro. I gotta get a Hellcat. Let's go over there and see what they're talking about. Let's go barge in. Y'all see what's going on here, though. Stang just pulled up. Twin turbo Stang.
Hey, what's up, Jamar?
What up, dude? What's going on with you?
Not much, man.
I'm chilling. Hey there.
I got here before it was shut down, finally.
Right, yeah. C7 out. Okay, then.
Yeah, it's over like Dawson, pop the hood.
Pop the hood.
Pop the hood. Hey, they said Wednesday I get my hood.
What happened? Why you take it off? What happened?
Because I got a new one and it's getting painted and I sold the old one already.
Okay. That's tough. That's some good work. That's some good work. Damn, big beamer. Audi wagon, BMW truck, parking crazy. Just park how you want to park. Big tire C6. Burnouts, there it is.
Wrap it up, unfortunately, okay?
There it is, there it is.
Want everyone out, guys.
kicked us out, man. End of the video. Came up to Sheetz. They about to go to Roses. I'm about to head home. Nice cars out. That's it, man. Just a quick video. Cop shutting us down. And that's it, man.